Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Let us discuss the back exercises. So what do you understand by examination? Examination, as we have discussed, it is a tool with the help of which the children are assessed in a quantitative manner. That is, how many marks did they score by the end of their term. Evaluation, on the other hand, is an ongoing process that is going to assess the children on a regular basis and is going to consider the all-round development of the children rather than just the scholastic work. What is written examination? In which the child is given a question paper and is supposed to write the answers to the questions that he or she is. What is CCE? Continuous and comprehensive evaluation. This is a system which is initiated by CBSE, which focuses on the continuous evaluation of the students so that they can be groomed in a comprehensive, that is, in a holistic manner. Both scholastic and post-scholastic areas are worked together. Explain the purpose of conducting an examination. Why are the examinations conducted? The examinations are conducted so that one can know how much the child has fared, what is the end result of what the child is heading towards, whether the goal that has been set for the child has been achieved or not. What is the modern term for examination? It is evaluation. Discuss the focal point of the examination in the olden days. Now, in the olden days, examination only and only focused on getting to know or being able to measure how much the child has scored, giving instructions to the child over a period of time, and then at the end of the term taking a test, knowing the marks and evaluating and assessing the child on the basis of those marks. So there were written tests, essays were written which were checked by the teachers and the marks were given. How is evaluation different from examination? Evaluation is an ongoing process which focuses on both scholastic as well as the post-scholastic areas, while examination is something which is conducted just once or let's say twice a year, and they focus on measuring how much the child has learned in the scholastic area. What is internal examination? Internal examination is that system wherein the teacher, wherein the student is taught by the teacher of the educational institution he or she is a part of. The paper is set by the teacher, the paper is checked by the teacher, the grades are given by the teacher. So there is no external influence, everything is taken care of internally. Discuss the term external examination. External examination is just the opposite of internal examination. External examinations are conducted by the board or some state authority, wherein the papers will be set by them. They are going to be evaluated and assessed by the external authorities. No interference of the educational. Explain non-written examination and how is it different from written examination. Written examination is when the student is given a question paper with questions and the essay type answers are to be written by the child, which will be checked by the teacher. On the other hand, non-written examination is a kind of an interview where the teacher asks the question and the child answers orally. What is formative approach to evaluation? Formative approach is again an ongoing approach with the help of which the child is assessed, evaluated on the basis of how he or she performs throughout the year. While summative approach of evaluation is when the cumulative result of the child is assessed by the end of the year, and it is a quantitative measure. One is going to get the marks, the percentage that the child has been able to score by the end of the year. What are the four functions of evaluation? Now we have learned about the evaluation. What are the four functions of evaluations that we learned about? You have to explain any 4. There are 14 functions in your book. You have to explain any 4 out of them. Difference between internal and external exam that we have just discussed. What is CCE, or the continuous and comprehensive evaluation in detail? You have to explain. So in detail, it means you have to talk about the meaning of CCE, which is an ongoing assessment with the help of which the holistic development of the child is focused upon. Not only scholastic but also the post-scholastic areas are worked upon. And since it is the detail that they require from us, we need to discuss the advantages and the disadvantages, right? Discuss the importance of CCE in the process of evaluation. That means the advantages of CCE is what you have to discuss in this question. CCE is more comprehensive and as compared to examination discuss. Again, the advantages of. So with this, my dear students, we come to the end of this chapter. I hope the chapter was clear to you. So I'm going to pause here and we'll see you all soon in the next lecture.